Okay, good day. Introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Nina Rizal Salva, 32 years old. I have one child, 13 years old. I am Catholic religion. I have one brother and three sisters.
What is your position in the family?
I am the second eldest in the family.
And do you have a live-in partner?
Yes, ma'am.
For how long?
12 years.
12 years. Okay. So do you have any plan in getting married?
Not yet.
What is your educational attainment?
I took a hospitality management in 1 year.
Okay. Are you an ex-abroad? So do you work here before as a helper? How long?
2 years.
How many members of the family did you serve?
5 months.
Who are the 5 members?
The 5 members is 10 years old.
No, like, is it a couple? Like how couple or kids?
3 and 3 kids.
Okay. So one couple and 3 kids. How old the children?
10 years old, 3 years old, and 15 years old.
So what did you do as a helper in the house, or what is your duties?
I do the household chores, marketing, taking care of the kids, and taking care of the pets.
What kind of pet do they
and
have?
Dog.
How many
Cats.
dogs?
1 dog and 2 cats.
Okay. You cook?
Yes, ma'am.
What kind of dishes you prepare?
Filipino food, ma'am.
So are you willing to learn how to cook Chinese food?
Yes,
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
to better salary, ma'am, and better future for my baby.
And will you promise not to go home in case of emergency?
Yes, ma'am, I promise.
How long you want to work in Hong Kong?
As long as my employer needs me.
Okay. Are you ready to go Hong Kong anytime now?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you afraid of any pet?
Ma'am.
You love kids.
Yes, ma'am, I love kids.
Can you handle naughty kids?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share job with other helper?
Yes, ma'am.
How about newly born baby? Are you willing to look for a newly born
Yes, ma'am,
baby?
I will.
How about sharing room with the kids or baby? It's okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, your future employer now is watching you. What can you assure and promise to them?
Hi, ma'am and sir. I promise to finish my contract and I'll do my best and responsibilities. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you very much. HL 23, third